What up, boys? Back with another video. I'm doing back-to-back videos. Literally just finished editing the catalyst downpipe install. We finished that like at midnight and I uploaded it today. So now we're just jumping into this one. So this is another mod that came in. Look at this. This is a Alcantara steering wheel by CVR. I'll put their ad in the description down below so you guys could go follow them on their Instagram there. And so far it looks really good. Quality is really good. Carbon fiber. I really like this detail right here. I think it just makes it pop. I don't know. It looks cool. And yeah, I just kind of wanted something simple, but a lot more modern, especially with the flat bottom. And then that blue stripe to match all the seat. And I really like the stitching as well. It looks insane. So that's what we're going to be installing today. I'm going to take it out of the box for you guys. Look at that, boys. Let me put it on the sun for you guys. It's insane. I'm curious to see how that blue is going to match to the seats, but I think it's going to be almost a perfect match. I think my cousin Brian's going to be pulling up here shortly. He's going to be helping me with this install. So it should be a breeze. And this is the steering wheel that it has right now, guys. Look at it, it's just so plain. I just pulled up to the crib and look who's right behind me. Off the airbag right now. There's two slits, and over here in the back of the steering wheel they have to insert your flathead screwdriver in order to take this bag off. After that, then just disconnect this, and this is what we have. This is why I couldn't do the install yesterday, because I didn't have that. So I went and bought it today. Also, I'll be including all the tools that I used for this project right here in the description down below. One problem I am having is trying to fit that bit there. I have it right here. It's a T60, but they filled it up with plastic in there, and I have seen another video that shows the plastic in there. So if yours has this, you basically have to break it. I'm using this super sharp flathead and just a hammer to just kind of chisel my way out, and just like that, boys, we got it to go. Let's go. Look at that thing. That thing is massive. All right, boys, just like that, we are steering wheel-less. All right, boys, after a lot of unscrewing, we finally got everything off. And that's how that should look. So I'm just going to be putting everything back on this one. And prior to this, I had no knowledge. I didn't even use a video to take the inside off, just basically for the airbag, because I didn't know that you have to stick a flathead through here. But other than that, self-explanatory. So it shouldn't be too hard for you guys if you guys are new to this. All right, boys, about 2 hours later, I think this is the final product. Now we just have to go install it. Guys, no way, this thing looks so crazy. Completes the look of the car inside. Boys, hopefully you enjoyed that little clip of my cousin shooting flames. I was gonna videotape some footage at the car meet that we went to, but we kind of ended up going late because the steering wheel took a little bit longer than expected. Honestly, it took me about 4 hours, but I mean, it's definitely worth a look at this, guys. Like, this changes the whole driving experience. I'd say it's a must-do mod, guys. If you're contemplating on doing it, do it, guys. You will not regret it. But yeah, guys, I think it's gonna be it for the video. I know it's a really short one. And like I said, I'm gonna put all the tools that you need in the description down below, so you guys could go get those before you start taking everything apart. If not, you're just gonna get frustrated and whatnot. But anyways, hopefully you liked the video, like it up, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.